Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel, Aveti Learning. We are providing you free online classes and learning materials for the betterment of your education, especially in the lockdown period. So, let me know, how are you all? All good? Okay, first of all, tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then please type yes in the comment box. Okay, so in these days, only one thing is going on: lockdown, shutdown, lockdown, shutdown. Yes or no? Yes. It's feeling like home is like a quarantine center. Home quarantine center. Yes or no? Okay. So, we have learned the festivals of Northeast India. So, already we have discussed about the introduction part, then Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, then Tripura, okay, Meghalaya. So, I think let's have a revision on that. I want to know that how much you have remembered, how much you have inherited. Okay, so let's have a live quiz on Festival of Northeast India. But before that, let me tell you how do you join in the live class. It's very easy. Just open your phone, go to YouTube channel and open Aveti Learning and subscribe to our channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay. So, before we start our live class, let me tell you the rules. The first one is just you have to answer the question only which is asked, and you should have to answer the questions in the comment box or in the chat box. And secondly, don't chat with each other, otherwise, you will face the problem while watching the video. Okay, and finally, this is a special request to all of you that you should have to note down and write down the important points, important whatever you feel, only after watching the video. Okay, so let's have a revision. So here we go. So first question is, the Northeast India comprises des states. Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. The Northeast India comprises des states. Quickly answer in the comment box. Let me know. Let me see who are giving the correct answer. Oh my god, simultaneously so many correct answers are there. Yes, 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 yes. All of you are given the right answer. I'm so happy that you go through the festivals, go through the chapter, and thank you so much for this. Okay. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option D 8. So here option D 8, that the Northeast India comprises 8 states. So namely, let's write the name. Okay. So I'm writing on the screen and you should have to write the name of the 8 states in your comment box. Okay. Then starts from, let's start from, one is, yes, Assam. Number 2 is Arunachal Pradesh. Number 3, Manipur. Very good. Number 4 is Meghalaya. Number 5, Mizoram. Number 6, Nagaland. Number 7, Tripura. And finally, number 8, the little brother. What is the name of the little brother? Sikkim. So these are the 8 states. Okay. So the Northeast India comprises 8 states and they are here: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and the little brother Sikkim. Okay, very good. All of you are given the right answer. Move on to question number 2. All the 7 states of Northeast region are commonly described as the dash. All the 7 states of Northeast region. Okay. So the famous name, what is that? Option A, Land of Seven Sisters. B, Land of Rising Sun. C, Land of Eight Sisters. Option D, none of the above. Then what is the right answer? Quickly write down the answer in the comment box. Quick, 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 quick. So this is the very easy questions we have learnt in our first live class. Remember? Yes, very easy. All of you have given the right answer. Option A, the Land of Seven Sisters is the correct answer. Yes, very simple. 7 states, 7 sisters. Okay. So here we go with the 7 sisters. Namely, one is, all of you should write the name of the 7 sisters in the comment box. Okay. Let's see who completed the first. Okay. So one is Assam. Number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Number 3, Nagaland. Number 4, Meghalaya. Number 5, Manipur. Number 6, Tripura. Number 7, Mizoram. So these 7 states are known as the land of 7 sisters. Okay. Very good. So number 3, the river Dash flows through Assam. Which river is flowing through Assam? Option A, Ganga. Option B, Yamuna. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Narmada. Quickly write down the answer. I'm waiting. I'm eagerly waiting for your answer. All of you are my genius students. Always you are in a hurry to write the answer quickly. As soon as my question is completed, you start writing the answer. Very good, very good, very good. I'm so happy to have you. Yes, yes, yes. All of you are giving the right answer, and the right answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Here in this picture, you can see this is river Brahmaputra. Okay. So here you can find the river Brahmaputra. Okay. So river Brahmaputra flows through which state? Which state is this? Assam. Very good. Now let's move on to question number 4. Dash is the major cultural festival of Assam. Which festival is the major cultural festival? Okay, major cultural festivals of Assam. Why it is written as festivals? Because, tell me, which is the major cultural festivals of Assam? After that, I will tell you why it is written as festivals. I know all of you have known. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. The answer is Bihu. Okay. So Bihu is the right answer. And why it is written as festivals? Because we know that Bihu is a series of festival. Okay. So what are the festivals we find in Bihu? Bihus are a series of festivals. Means how many festivals are there in Bihu? Three festivals. One is, yes, yes, Rongali Bihu, and other one is Kongali Bihu, then Bhogali Bihu. Okay, very good. So Bihu is the major cultural festivals of Assam. Then let's move on to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the North Mountain region of Dash. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the North Mountain region of Dash. A. Karakoram, V. Vindhyas, C. Himalayas, D. Aravalis. Quickly write down the answer. Quick, quick, quick. Quickly write down the answer. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the answer is Himalayas. Okay, see in this picture, it is Himalaya. Okay, and your Arunachal Pradesh is here. Okay, so it is one of the India's most remote area. Okay, and we can see pine clad mountains. So many pine trees are there. Okay, it's look like a crown. Now let's move on to question number 6. The Galo tribes pray goddess Dash for prosperity and wealth. Option A Mahalakshmi, option B Ma Saraswati, option C goddess Mopin, option D Devi Durga. Which is the right answer? Yes. Stop chatting with each other and write down the right answer in the chat box. Yes, all of you have given the right answer. Quick, 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 quick. Yes, 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 yes. Most of you are, are very much sincere in this class. Thank you so much to all of you, those who are listening carefully to this class and answering accordingly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the good students, those who are not chatting with each other. Okay, so the right answer is option C, goddess Mopin. Okay, so people worship goddess Mopin and pray to drive away the evil spirit. Okay, for acquiring prosperity and wealth. Now let's move on to question number 7. Ningal Chakoba binds and revives the relationships between dash. Option A, unmarried girls and their parents. Option B, married girls and their parents. Option C, unmarried son and their parents. Option D, married son and their parents. What is the right answer? So, Ningal Chakoba is a charming festival of Manipur. So, it binds and revives the relationship between dash. Yes, write down, write down, write down. Yes, very good. All of you have given the right answer, and the correct answer is option B, married girls and their parents. Here you can see married girls are given gifts from their parents. So it revives the relationship between the parents and their daughters. Okay, the married daughters. So, question number 8. In Mizoram, Chapsharkut is popularly known as dash. In Mizoram, Chapsharkut is popularly known as dash. Option A, the Spring Festival. Option B, the Winter Festival. Option C, the Rainy Festival. Option D, the Summer Festival. So, what is the right answer? Chapsharkut is popularly known as dash. Yes, and the right answer is it is known as the Spring Festival. Option A, the Spring Festival is the right answer. The Spring Festival, or it is known as Chapsharkut, is an important occasion which is mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Okay, so here are the samples questions for all of you. So this is a homework for you. Another homework for you is you should have to complete the assignments which is found in our app. Okay, after the live class is finished, quickly you should open our app Aveti Learning and open the English section and do the assignment 1 and 2. Okay, assignment 1 and assignment 2 each carries 10 questions. There are so many assignments are there in our app, and the homework is you should have to do assignment 1 and assignment 2. We will check. Okay, in our next class I will tell you who are giving the correct answer in first attempt. They will be the winner. Okay, so students, today is this much. Okay, so let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, and this is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So my dear lovely students, we will meet in our next class with a new revision chapter. There are so many questions are there. Okay, near about more than 100 questions are there in this chapter, and gradually we will discuss day by day, and you should have to follow our channel Aveti Learning. So keep watching the live class videos. Okay, and keep learning. So we will meet in our next class with a new revision chapter with some new questions. Till then, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning Aveti Learning. Thank you.